And digitization, the main issue with digitization, I feel, or analytics, I feel, is that we do post-mortem. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to build an intelligent insight or intelligent product and services which can provide proactive based solution for future. To give you an example, a specific, I'll give you two, three specific example which we have implemented in our organization. One is predictive attrition hiring tool. Now, this hiring tool, which we have developed internally, and be very happy to share with some of you later, that it will give you a lot of pictures that which are the employee. So there are certain parameters which are there, and it will give you parameters that which are the employee which are most likely to leave in the next 6 months time. And this gives with about 82 to 83% of accuracy. So this is not doing only post-mortem of why people have resigned, but it also gives me an insight that who are the people who are likely to resign. It also gives me an insight that which are the campuses which we should go where people are more likely to stay with our organization, which demographics more we need to hire. So this is one tool which we have modeled and we have created and which we are trying to share with other organizations also. The second tool is employee engagement predictive and prescriptive model. So through which currently the employee engagement which any organization does through any of the external vendors, it tells you what has happened in past. It does not give you mechanism that which are the team lead, which are the team managers which are not very engaged and what we should do to make them more engaged. So these are some of the input which is there. The final point which I want to make is that any intervention or any program which we are making or any students who are there on this webinar wants to learn, we need to keep the target audience in mind. So you would see we have three kind of target audience. One is the digital native, people who have typically born after Google was formed. The second is digital migrant, people like you and me who are not very digital savvy, but we are trying to learn. The third segment, which is currently also there in most of the manufacturing or traditional sector, are the digital naive, people who are maybe 45 or 50 above, who are not able to use digital as it should have been. So any kind of programs or digitization we are doing, we should keep these audience also in mind so that it is user friendly and we are able to get the output which we are looking for.